Hey guys, my name is Ashin Vaz. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have the Boat AirDrops 173. Earlier, if you remember, I also unboxed a product of Boat, the AirDrops 131. So today we have an upgraded version of it. Of course, the price will differ. This product in the market comes for around 2000 rupees offline and online. But make sure to hit the links in the description. There will be only one link. It will cost you only for around 1500 rupees to 1700 rupees. So make sure you hit the links below. Now, time for unboxing it. Then you start from here. There you go. And hey, meantime, kindly subscribe to my channel. The AirDrops 1731. Okay. Here we get 1 year warranty card. That's the product. This will be the charging cable. Okay, a smaller one. Some extra ear tips. Matches the color. You can see it's blue. So I like the Boat sticker. Let's keep it over here. Of course, the manual. This we always get. The basics. Let's keep the box here. Nothing won't come out. No issue. Oh, I think I have to take it out. It won't come on that one. Oh, I see a small flap. Just saw it. Oh, crystal clear packaging. That's crystal clear. The packaging is really good, but plastic was really tight. Let's keep everything here. Just checking the lights on the bud. Well, I don't see any lights in the bud. Okay. Cable, ear tips. Let's see what we have on the box. Okay, IPX sweat resistant. Instant wireless connectivity, ASAP charge technology. Okay, crystal clear, 3 hours. Yeah. So let me test this for a second. It took me 5 minutes because I had to read the manual and take some tests. First, let's see the cons. The LED light. You can't figure out if they are charging or no. I read the manual and you see here there's a given light on the manual. It's clearly written the LED is given below the box, but if you see the case, there's no such LED on it. Then, if you keep the AirDrops back in the case, you have to close them, means you have to power them off. Here's an example. The AirDrops are back in the case and still the video is being played. You can clearly see even when I take the buds out and place it back in, the video has not paused. That means you have to switch off the AirDrops before getting it charged, and you can't figure it out if they are charging or no. But coming to the pros, the sound quality and the drivers are really insane. In this budget range, 2000 rupees, you get one of the best sound qualities by Boat. But I'm not happy with the charging case. A pro quality of it, the voice assistant is really good. Even when the battery is running low, the buds notify you by giving a small response saying, "Oops, battery is low." That sounds really joyful. So, if you're still interested in buying this product, make sure you hit the links below. And thank you for watching till the end.